Okay, so hi everyone. For this video, what I'm going to share with you is how to create a safe space in exchanging your official communication with your colleagues and of course to secure your personal information without using FB Messenger kung saan palagi natin ginagamit ito at medyo mas madali kasing mag-send ng message kapag sa Messenger. Isang click lang makikita agad natin kung na-seen ba yung message natin or nagre-reply ba o nagta-type ba sila. But anyway, with the Gmail Messenger, chat messenger ng Gmail, sa loob mismo ng Gmail inbox natin, kasama yon workspace and even the Google Meet ay nandun yun. So, etong video na ito ay papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumamit ng Gmail Messenger para magkaroon tayo ng safe space in exchanging our official communications with our colleague. Okay, so buckle up. So let's start this one. Okay, so now that we're back, I am going to share with you the inbox of the RMO at asu.edu.ph. So this is the typical interface kapag mag-open tayo ng ating Gmail account. Now, how are you going to use the chat message for your Gmail? Ito lang po yung i-click natin button. So, I'm going to enlarge the screen para mas madali nating makita. Ayan. So currently, I only have one open chat with the ASU Card Secretariat. Now, to create a new chat, I'm going to click this new chat. Ito, i-click natin. Now, if we're going to click it, uh, kung sino po yung email message natin, dapat meron po siyang institutional email ng asu.edu.ph. So, for example, I'm going to create a message for my other personal institutional email account. There, I will type my email there. So, click ko lang yan. Once I click, then I'm going to start the chat. So, here. So, eto na ngayon yung first na message na gagawin natin. So, for example, I'm going to chat open communication. Here, once I click send, yun. So, sa FB Messenger, kapag mag-send tayo ng message, nag-a-appear yung typing. The same thing with the Google Chat. 'Pag respond naman ako, magta-type ako ng response ko. For example, okay, ayan, nag-a-appear kung nagta-type ako. So, for example, ise-send ko na rin yung message ko. So, that is how simple to use the Gmail chat features. Ayan. Kung sa FB Messenger, meron tayong tinatawag na GC or group chat, dito naman sa Gmail, ang tawag natin dito ay space. Yan. So, here. And kung gusto natin gumawa ng GC o group chat, since dito, space ang tawag, click lang natin yung space and then create new space. So to continue with, I'm going to create workspace, parang group chat ng ASU receiving officers. Yan. So this one is intended for the internal uh, communication, monitoring, and for example, monitoring of internal communication. And then, pwede rin ako mag-assign ng icon na halimbawa, icon ng isang school or it could be a document. So, sample lang naman to. I will going to have this one. Parang school siya. Yan. And then, I'm going to add um, my other account here. And then, the ASU mail here. There. So, example lang naman, ganyan yung pag-add ng ano, kumbaga kung sa FB Messenger, mag-a-add tayo ng members. So, the same thing, kaya lang, pinakaibahan dito at ginagamit natin yung institutional email ng ASU. And then, we're going to have it create. Then, halimbawa naman, yung sa advanced na features, kung allow people outside your organization to join, this will have some security issues. So to minimize that, you don't have to allow people outside your organization to join. Then, kung halimbawang gusto niyo namang i-control yung pag-post or paggawa ng update, ay only Space Manager can post. Ayan. Kaya lang, mawawala naman yung interaction ng GC. So, let it be that way. And then, we're going to create. Okay. So, yan. Yan na yung panibagong GC natin. O pagdating naman dito sa Gmail ay Spaces. Google Spaces. So, yan ang pinagkaibahan ng Google Chat, ayan, sa Google Spaces. So, for the next video, I will going to show you, halimbawa na kapag flexi-place ka. So, paano kaya ma-monitor yung mga output mo kung kung halimbawang kailangan mong mag-coordinate with the other offices. So, that will be the topic for the next video. Okay? So, for now, eto lang muna tayo. Recap natin. Makikita ang Google Chat sa loob ng ating Gmail account. Diyan sa sidebar na yan. Ayan. Click lang natin yung chat. Ayan. New chat or kung halimbawang meron na kayong naka-open na chat communication, you can continue. Select kung sino man yung gusto nyong i-chat. And then the spaces for parang GC rin siya, group chat. Okay? So I hope that you have learned now how are you going to secure your official communication here in the university. Okay? So I hope you have learned something today and see you on my next video. Thank you.